Hello, let's evaluate this geometrical problem. Find the area of the greatest rectangle that can be inserted in an ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is 1. So let's try to solve. Here it is given the equation of ellipse. So let's take it as x-axis and this as y-axis. They have given this as a, its origin. This is a and this is b. So fine. So given equation of ellipse as x square by a square plus y square by b square is 1. Fine. Now any arbitrary point on ellipse, right? It's any arbitrary point p. P can be represented as, let p a cos theta, b sin theta, b any arbitrary point on the ellipse. As you can see, this points p satisfies the equation of ellipse. Just substitute this. X square is a square cos square theta by a square. Y square is b square sin square theta by b square. A square will get cancelled, and then b square cos square plus sin square theta is 1. So right. So any point on the ellipse can be written as a cos theta, b sin theta. Fine. Now we need to figure out a rectangle, right? Greatest rectangle that can be inscribed in a ellipse. So let's make a rectangle and try to figure out the greatest one. Fine. So let's make this as a point P. This is Q, this is R, and this is S. So let's try to write the coordinates of the 4 points. Then the coordinates of rectangle are rectangle PQRS are. Here we have considered P as A cos theta and B sin theta, right? Then S will be, as you can see, it's just a reflection, right? Then A cos theta, and because y is in the negative side, it will be minus B sin theta, right? Then what about Q? Q, as you can see, its y-axis will be the same, and x got reflected, so it will be minus A cos theta, B sin theta, right? Then what about R? R is in the third quadrant, then these two coordinates are negative. So to find the greatest rectangle, let's say we need to figure out a rectangle which has a maximum area, right? So let's try to figure out this length PS. The length of PS is, okay, let's first define area of this rectangle is PS into PQ, right? Then we need to figure out what is PS. This is PS is, as you can see, x coordinate is the same, then it will not contribute. Then x2 minus x1, right? Minus b sine theta is minus 2b sine theta whole square, which is minus square is anyhow 1. This is 4b square sine square theta, which is will get 2b sine theta, right? We need to find out the length of P and Q, right? As you can see there, for P and Q, B sine theta and B sine theta, that is y coordinates are the same, so they don't contribute. So minus a cos theta minus a cos theta, this will be minus 2a cos theta whole square, which is 4a square cos square theta, which is 2a cos theta. So area of rectangle is 4ab sine theta into cos theta, which you can write it as 2ab into 2 sine theta cos theta, right? Then this is a is 2ab into sine theta, right? We need to find a rectangle which has greatest area, right? That can be inscribed in a ellipse. Fine. Then to get it, this value sine theta value, right? Actually sine x lies between, right? It lies between -1 to 1. So this sine 2 theta must be, to get a maximum value, it must be 1. So then area is 2a. So the final solution is area of the rectangle, the greatest rectangle that can be inscribed in an ellipse is 2ab.